A burpee combines the sequential performance of a jump, plank, and push-up. This complex but effective movement allows you to engage all muscle groups. In this video, we'll tell you about what a burpee is, the pros and cons of the exercise, as well as how to do it correctly, so watch till the end. It's going to be informative, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it so far. Your support motivates us a lot. The burpee exercise involves performing 3 movements in sequence: a plank, a push-up, and a jump. First, you squat deeply, then take the plank position, do 1 push-up, return to the deep squat, and jump up from it. Your task is to do several repetitions without taking a break. How to do a burpee? For the exercise to be as effective as possible, it must be done correctly. Before starting to do burpee, be sure to prepare your muscles for the upcoming loads warm-up. Do some squats with your arms stretched forward, followed by 2 sets of planks for 30 to 40 seconds, then push up 8 to 10 times from the floor and complete the workout by jumping rope. Now you can start doing burpee. Starting position: stand up, straight your legs slightly apart, and unbend your knee joints. Make sure your back stays straight and your abdominal and buttock muscles are slightly tensed. Tilt your head, trying to pull the back of your head up. Technique of performance: note that the correct technique involves the muscles of the abdomen, legs, and buttocks. All movements must be done qualitatively without trying to make the task easier, otherwise you will not get the desired result. When doing, be sure to control breathing, trying to synchronize it with the movements from the starting position. Do a deep squat with your palms against the floor. Have jump shift your body weight to your arms while pulling your legs back. Stand in playing, trying to line up. Don't round your back and don't bend to the floor, continuing to keep your body straight. Do a push-up, bend your arms at the elbows and touch the surface of the floor. With your chest return to the playing position on straight arms. Follow with a half jump. Pull your legs up to your hands. Sit down in a deep squat. Jump up with a sharp movement, raising your arms, trying to stretch to the ceiling as much as possible, returning from the jump to the starting position. Do a deep squat again, then stand in a plank and do some push-ups. Continue this sequence of movements in the continuous motion. What muscles are involved when doing burpees? When doing burpees, all muscle groups are engaged: arms, chest, quadriceps, gluteal muscles, biceps, thighs, and abdominal muscles. This is a unique functional exercise which allows you to train not only endurance, but also strength. While doing it, you can shift the emphasis is where you need. If you need to put more strain on your glutes and thighs, it is worth adding intensity when jumping out of the squat. For those who want to work out their arms and shoulders, first increase the number of push-ups in sets. Burpees are ideal for strength and endurance training. When the goal of the exercise is to develop endurance, it is necessary to do all movements at a higher tempo. If you consider burpees as strength training, you need to pay attention to the quality of push-ups and jump out as high as possible. In addition, a quality jump out of the deep squat allows you to workload the leg muscles well. Pros of the burpee exercise. The burpee is one of the most energy-consuming exercises. When it's done, the heart rate instantly increases, which leads to an increased expenditure of calories. It's not for nothing that the burpee is considered the most effective exercise for getting rid of excess weight. The burpee is not only a very effective exercise, but also a functional one. During the exercise, almost all muscle groups are involved in the work. During one workout, an athlete can use the shoulder girdle, the muscles of the arms, chest, abdomen, back, legs, and buttocks. In other words, when doing burpees, the whole body works systematic. Burpee training improves your heart, blood vessels, respiratory system, and overall endurance performance. There is no need to buy expensive sports equipment for training. After all, burpees involve working exclusively with the weights of your own body. You can do it not only in the gym, but also at home, as well as outdoors or on the playground. There are a number of modifications of this exercise, from the easiest low-impact variations to mega-complex programs based on individual characteristics and level of physical fitness. You can settle on the best option for yourself. The burpee exercise is designed to develop muscular strength, endurance, and improve speed performance. It is ideal for athletes practicing strength training. The burpee helps to avoid plateau effect and accelerates the growth of muscle mass. In addition, To strength and endurance, this exercise can be used to train balance and improve coordination. You can adjust the level of the set workload on your own. If you want to work the lower part of the body to a greater extent, it is enough to include 2 or 3 jumps in each repetition. In the chain of movements instead of 1 to strengthen the shoulder, girdle, and arms. It is worth increasing the number of push-ups to 2-3 instead of 1 to work out. The abdominal muscles, it is necessary to supplement the plank by pulling the knees up to the chest. One of the leading advantages of the burpee is that it can be adapted to your needs. Do you incorporate burpees into your workout routine? Share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If it was interesting, press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of useful information. See you soon.